Marvel, Funko, DC, mystery boxes, a lot of things that I should have been collecting over the years. I can showcase that because I'm not going to stop buying these things. So I'm not the type that keep everything in a box. I kind of open up a few things. So I want to entertain you guys, and I hope you guys are entertained by what I'm showing. So the first thing you got to think about when starting a YouTube channel is, like I said, your targeted audience and your content. Once you have that down and you kind of put out there what people like, that's what you want to kind of stick with. Make sure you're passionate about it. Don't do it for financial reasons.